Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to change temperature of some particular mode. So, at first, open modes over here at the top of the list, then choose the mode that you want to use. Okay, so here actually we don't have temperature. And now mark temperature, and just by scrolling you can change it. So if you'll go back and check it in any other mode, you can do the same thing. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.